Okay, the first thing that we want to try to do is make a pie chart. So for that, we need categories. In this case, our two categories are yes and no. So when you ask your question, you should be getting a category or a word as an answer. In this case, the two words that we want as answers are yes and no. Then you want to put next to each of those responses, you want to put the number of people that said yes or no. Now, for some of you that might be doing maybe cars that people liked, you might have Suzuki, Subaru, Toyota, Ford. Just pick the first four car brands that came into my head, and you might put some numbers there. This would work as well. Now, you want to pick, we'll do the new example. You want to select, click and drag all of the data that you've got, so the four categories and the four numbers you've got next to it. Go to Insert, which is at the top left, and then select this pie chart button. And just pick the first one. Now, after that, you want to go into this top tab and find one that has the percentage numbers next to it, or in the pie chart. And you can pick any one of these really, as long as it's got the numbers next to it, because that's what we want for this assessment. And don't forget to change the title to something appropriate. So this might be something like, which car